boy filma my refa mo. Jo my bam jo lare. Story telling. Egberio yaye. Now come to the promised day. Obo caring lad men. Tortis went to meet bed. A refa we went mo fini lad and asked bed. But fini be me. Bed tell Tortis that they will contribute feather for him. O fini back a refa we prede. Amene o fini pian o tuo o permanie. Now all bets contribute feather for Tortis to tie his and body like bed. Me o fin bese paka o fini pian tuode. A refa we pre. Brabum ba gong kaime. O fini dede. And bed old Tortis and fly with him. Me o fini pake, refa we bravo kerosene o mama female, getting to where they always to find food. I'm silly say, paying na many your men, lade me. There they have laws and rules. E yome amene, o lomo banyin guamo. That if you first say, this is my home. Ebo blog badaba. Meme nie. No one will take that food again. Zene keme ba. Misafeye kunwafa. They also tell Tortis all these laws and rules. Akpo mevra bake. A refa we prode. Olobom bayin guabom. Tortis has a wicked mind. Which bed do not know. Refawi o mene, see kiona nawarem, o fenibo, amene misbranua. On reaching there, Tortis started pointing on every food they see. Amuya lade me. Refawi brakon. Roman favor says somne. He says, that is my home. That is my home. This is my home. Hall is my home. Oh, bade. Memenie, anepenie, asenia. All the food are mine. Favor senia. So bed could not get food that day. But mesering me, often can fe banana. Tortis do this for the first day, the second day, even the third day. Rafawi maramiene. Volaying po mami. Mam cramming po mami. Babu tara cramming pammy. So bed gets angry. I don't offend and said, since this is what you want to do with us, me offend bade. Make offend bade. Make a go mama me. Domini bedaba. But we will not get food again. Man about fain and I find badaba. We will take our feathers back for you. Oh, Finny Piambo, Quina Brahma Comedy. All the birds started taking their feathers from Tortis. Me often said, Coromane Piambo Cone, Kerefa with Brahma Cone, and they all fly away. Me as say a thing, Fabramie. Tortis cannot plead again. A refawi by Ken, Numutayai, because of his weakness and the greedy mind of him. Take a donor, or seek your donor. Bow manam to donor. Now Tortis has no feather to come down. They take room a refawi apple by fire. Bakuruba pie. There was no way for Tortis to come down. So Tortis jumped from the sky. He fell on the ground. All his shell broken into pieces. So wickedness and greediness is bad. And don't see. This is the end of the story. Bye bye, we meet again. Bye bye, Otuagbelio. Words in the story. Contribute. Otuo telling. Bapre. Hans. Ra. body, anger, tie, kakai, always, silbose, rich, law, oloko, rule, yeribo, wicked mind, secure, angry, breezy, sell, okpo.